Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's find the security and privacy. Now we have to scroll down to find other security settings, and as you can see we've got a whole credential storage. In order to remove them, just tap on clear credentials and confirm it. As you can see, if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, you will have to enter it to confirm. And we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, we cannot tap on this option again. It is because it is actually a proof that we did it successfully. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Samsung Galaxy F14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.